Okay, so in this video, I would like to talk about this microbit extension bug. Okay, so the name for this is called so this is a brief description of the bot, and you can see there will be different parts, and you can use it. When you're going to use it, just make sure that you don't mix up the positive pole and negative pole on that. And then on the right hand side, this one you see the S, that means they are used for the servo. Okay, for the servo. Later you will know what are they. And on the left hand side, they are the 3 pins connection. So you see the pin number here: P0, P1, P2, P8, P12, P13, P14, P15 as well. And then you also got this one to be the buzzer, so you can hear the sound. Is it clear? And you got the LED down there. Okay, so the learning objectives for this part will be about 3 parts. Okay, so you learn about the sound, you learn about light, and you also learn about motor. So let's start with the easier one, which is the music block. So when you go to microbit, you just go to music, and then you can find the notes here directly. And in fact, you can choose this play melody. So this is a song. You can complete a song, and this is called a melody. While for the tone, it means only one single sound. And this one, the middle C, you can use a number to represent them, because for different frequency, you can actually check out they represent different musical note. Okay? And how to use the extension bot, you have to install the extension first. Okay, so go to this extension, and this time you're going to type, okay, not pen, instead you're going to type Robotbit, okay, in the search view, and then these 3 modules should appear, okay, the red color one. And let's see the lighting. Okay, so you will see that these 4 light bulbs actually can be light on. So how to light them on? They are called a Neopixel, okay, Neopixel in light control. When you click inside, you will see there are so many blocks, and I guess you can explore how you can use it later, or you can pause the video and then you can explore how to use it. First, you have to tell the microbit where will be the Neopixel. So you will use this one, set the strip, okay, 2, and then this one, the blue color, will be the location. However, you have to go to the Robotbit and then choose the first one, the RGB, to represent, okay, the LED lights on the board. So when you set the stripe to RGB, like this one, and then if you set it like soul color, red, then these 4 will become red, okay, will become red. And then there will be one method to set the pixel at a specific place. So you got 0 to be red, and then the 1 to be yellow, and then 2 will be blue, and then 3 will be green. So this is how you set a specific place to be a specific color. Okay, so this stripe soul is a must, because if you do it without this statement, then you cannot see the change. Okay, you cannot see the change. Okay, and then this is a way to turn off the specific light. So you can either clear all the screen, okay, and then set back the different position like this, or you can just say that, okay, a specific place to become black in color. So the result is the same. Okay, so there are so many methods to do the same. Okay, and this is what you can see when you execute the command. Remember, use the strike soul. Then it is about Neopixel. If you would like to make a moving light pixel, okay, so this is what you have, and then forever, so you will just move it like this, and you will see that on start we got this one, and then when we just rotate it, it is just like this one, this color go to this one, and then green color go to this one, and then blue color go to this one, and this one will just go back to this position. Okay, so what if we use the on start, okay, here becomes forever. Okay, can you imagine? Okay, can you see the change here? Now This is the change. Okay, and then if you see that, okay, this is what we call the rotate. Okay, and I hope you know how to do it. So next part will be about a circle. But talk about circle, we need to know what is a simple circuit. So these three will be the component for a circuit. Okay, you got a battery, you got the electrical wire, and then you got something that can use the energy or use the energy from the battery. Okay, and then for this simple circuit, you will see that on the left hand side and right hand side. Okay, this is what we call the complete circuit or closed circuit, so that this light bulb, you can see it is lighting on or turn on. But for this one, it is called open circuit. Okay, so you will see on the left hand side, the electron or the thing or the charge inside will fall, but for the right hand side it does not fall. Okay, so we got the wire like this. Now actually normally in the electrical appearances or appearance, you will see that there will be the live wire, neutral wire, and the earth wire. For these three wires, okay, they have different purposes. I hope you can see that. The red color, it is providing the energy, and then the blue color complete the circuit, and earth wire, it is to prevent the damage or the short circuit, okay, to hurt the people. So for the connection that we are using, like the board, so you can see the red color, this is actually will be the live wire, it is to provide the energy. For yellow color, it is also to complete the circuit. It can also provide the energy, but the energy is not that large. While for the black color, that is the negative pole. Okay, so when you are going to check it out, okay, you can see the number. It is like S1 to S8. They are used for the servo. Well, for this one, it is connected to others for the other input or output. For P, okay, P0 to this P15 here. Okay, P1, P2, P8, P12, P15 here. Okay, and then you will see that, okay, now for the brown color, that is the ground, and then for the red color, actually that will be the 3V3, okay, that means the voltage, the red color, okay, it provides you with 3 volts. And then for the yellow, it is going to the P something, and that means a signal, and it also provides a positive pole, as a here, the positive pole in the circuit. So for this servo, I guess you will see that, okay, when you go to the Robotbit, you got the servo, and then this is what we are going to use, servo only. Grid servo and grid servo 2 kilogram. These two, they are another component that we have not provided you with it. Okay, so we will just use this one at the moment. So how to connect it? Okay, so in this example, I connected to S8. Okay, so in the code, I have to use at S8. Okay, so the minimum will be 0 and the maximum will be 180 degrees for that. So you just make sure that you use the correct value. And this is to show you some simulation. So now you will see this is like 0 degree pointing to the north, and then 180 degree pointing to the south or the upper direction, and then the lower direction. And it is going to turn like this. Okay, so the anti-clockwise direction. So let's see. Okay, when you press, okay, you will see it. Okay, so make sure that you know that when you check it, okay, it is looking like a snowman. Okay, the small circle on top of it, and then the larger circle is down there. Okay, so I hope you can explore it yourself when you connect the servo to the car or to the power.